Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear students of class 6, I hope all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I am also fine. Thank you very much. This is Khalilur Rahman, assistant teacher of mathematics, Ideal School and College, Bonusri, English version day shift. So I'd like to request all to join fast to enjoy the mathematics class of students of class 6. Let's go to start our lesson. In last class I discussed about ratios and percentage. As per sequence, I'm going to discuss the remaining portion of ratios and percentage. Today I'm going to discuss about exercise 2.2, ratio and percentage. Okay, so stay with me and enjoy the class. Okay, and if you have any problem, just you ask me by throwing a question. Okay, and if you are not able to hear anything, just you ask me, told me by throwing a question. Okay, okay, my dear students, open your book, page number 59. Okay, open your book, page 59. Today I am going to solve exercise 2.2. Okay, can you see everything? If you are not able to see, just you tell me. Okay, so you see first one, exercise from exercise 2.2, express as percentage. Okay, express as percentage. Number A, 3/4, you have to convert it into percentage. There are different ways I am showing. Okay, one by one. Number 1A, three by 4. Okay, so you see one way is you have to multiply here 100 and put a percentage sign. Okay, 3/4 into 100 and put a percentage sign over there. Okay, equals to, it will be what? Now cut it, 4 and 100 you may cut it. 4 25 is 100, am I right? So you may cut it 25, and the result will be 3 into 25, it will be 75. Answer. Another way you can make the denominator 100 by multiplying 25. 3 into 25, 4 into 25. And another way you can multiply both 100 by 100, then you may convert. Okay, in different way you can solve it. Okay, have you understood? Okay, now I am writing D number, which is mixed fraction. Okay, D number 2 whole 6 by 25. 2 whole 6 by 25. So you see, first if it is mixed, you have to convert it into improper fraction. Okay, 25 to the what? 50. 50 and 6, it will be 56. Okay, 56 by 25. Now we have to multiply it by 100 to convert it into percentage. Okay, now cut it. 25 and 100, if I cut, it will be what? 25 4 is 100. Now multiply 56 into 4, it will be what? Tell me. 4 6 is 24. There will be 4, carry 2. 4 5 is 20 and 2, 24, 22. So the answer will be 224%. Okay, now I am going to solve F number, which has decimal. Okay, which has decimal. F number you see 0.65. So you can multiply by 100, otherwise you can at first convert it into as a fraction. So how is it possible? You have to write here 65 and point for 1 and point after how many digits? 2 digits. So you have to put 2 zeros. Okay. So 65 by 100, that means 65%. No need to multiply. You can solve it also by multiplying. Okay, no problem. And next I am solving each number which has a ratio. Okay, 3:10. 3:10. Okay, so you see 3:10, a ratio is a fraction. In last class I told a ratio is a fraction, so you can write it as a fraction. I mean the first one, this is called antecedent and this is called subsequent. Antecedent will be considered as numerator and the subsequent considered as denominator. Am I right? So it will be what? 3/10. Okay, now you have to multiply it by 100 to convert it into percentage. Okay, so 3/10 into 100 percentage. Now cut 10 tens are 100, so it will be 3 tens are 30%. Answer 30%. Answer here 65%. Am I right? So I'm going to solve next two number expressed as fraction and decimals. Okay, you see now percentage is given, you have to convert it into fraction and also you have to convert it into decimal. Okay, I'm going to show first a number 2a. You see how is it possible? A 45%. Am I right? 2a, it is 45%. So you can write it 45 by 100. Okay, now you have to convert it into reduced form. You cut it by 5. Okay, so equals to 45 by 100. You cut it by 5. 5 times 45. 5 20 is 100. So it will be 9/20. Okay, you also convert it into decimal and 45%, you can write it 45 by 100. Can you see? And here everything, so it will be 0.45. you see 1 after 2 zeros, so you have to put 2 digits before a decimal. Okay, easy way and easy way. Okay, so what will be the result? Answer 9/20 as fraction and 0.45. Okay, have you understood, my dear students of class 6? Now I am going to solve D number. You see what is written here, D 11 whole 1/4 percentage. Okay, 11 whole 1/4 percentage. So here at first it is mixed. You see it is a mixed fraction, so at first you have to convert it into improper fraction. How is it possible? 11 into 4, it will be 44. 44 plus 1, it will be 41. Am I right? Sorry, 45. Okay, 45 by 4 percentage equals to 45 by 4 into 1/100. Percentage for 1/100. Okay, now you cut it. Okay, by 9 5 you can cut it. Here will be 9 and here will be 5 20 is 100. So the result will be 9/80. Okay, 9/80. And also convert it into decimal and 11 whole 1/4 percentage. So you see it will be 11 4s are 44. 45 by 4, 45 into 4 into 425 is 100. If I convert it into 25, then it will be easy to convert into decimal. Okay, otherwise you can use directly by you can solve it directly by using your calculator. Okay, If calculator is not available, then you have to multiply it. Okay, so if you multiply, it will be what? Tell me, 45 into 25, it will be what? 45 into 25, and the lower one will be 100, and percentage for 1 by 100. Okay, and percentage for 1 by 100. So you can cut it, or you can divide it. 45 into 25, it will be what? Can you tell? 45, 25, 5 5 are 25, there will be 2, 5 4 are 20, and 2, 22. This one will be 0, 5 2 are 10, 0, there will be 1, 4 2 are 8, and 1, 9, 5, 2, 1, 1. So it will be 1125 by 100 into 100, it will be 10,000. So you see 1 after 4 zeros, so you have to put a decimal before 4 digit. That means it will be 0.1125. Answered. You can also solve it directly by using your calculator. Okay. This is the answer. Can you see everything? Okay, my dear students. Now I am going to solve from 3. You see, calculate the followings. First one, a number 5% off. There is 4, it will be off. Okay, off 125. Okay, so I am going to write 3a. Okay, 3a, 5% of 125. Okay, 5% of 125. So it will be what? 5%, that means 5 by 100. And off means also what? Into 125. Okay. Now you can cut it, this one and this one. If I cut it 25, 25, 4 is 100, 25. Okay, you see 525 is 125 and 5 4 is 100. Now you multiply it. 5 5 is 25 by 4. Okay, so the result will be 25 by 4, or you can convert it into mixed fraction. How is it possible? 6 whole 1 by 4, because 4 6 is 24 and 1 25. Six whole 1 by 4. Okay, have you understood? Okay, just wait. I'm trying to make it clear. Now is it clear? You see? Okay, I'm trying to make it clear. Okay, can you see now? Okay, clear now? Maybe net problem. Okay, I'm trying to make it clear. Okay, see, my dear students, now I think it is clear. Okay. Okay, my dear students, now I am going to solve 4 number. Okay, can you see now clearly? Okay. Number 4, you see what is written here. See your book. What is the percentage of taka 20 of taka 80? What is the percentage of taka 20 of taka 80? I think now it is clear. There was a network problem, so I am extremely sorry. Now 4a I am going to solve. You see 4a, what's the percentage of taka 20 of taka 80? The percentage of taka 20 of taka 80 equals to what? It will be 20 by 80. Okay, at first you have to convert it into fraction, then to convert it into percentage you have to give here 100. Okay, percentage. Now you can cut it. You see, if I cut it by 20, it will be 4, it will be 5. Am I right? And also I can cut it by 5. 5 5s are 25%. Answer 25%. Okay. So as you can, I think now it is possible to solve B number. That will be your homework. Okay. Now I am going to write 5 number. In a school there are 500 students. If the girls are 40%, determine the number of boys. Okay. What is written here? Total number of students 500. Okay, and girls are 40%. Determine the number of boys. At first we have to find the number of girls. Okay, I mean 40% of 500 students will be number of girls. After finding the number of girls, you have to subtract from the total students, then you will get the number of boys. Okay, so write first what is given. You have to write it first. Given in a school there are 500 students. The girls are 40%. Okay, so the number of girls. Okay, so the number of girls equals to 40% of 500. So 40% means it will be 40 by 100 into 500. Am I right? So you see, you may cut it 5 4s are 20. That means 200 girl students. So the number of boys will be what? 500 minus 200. Very easy. So the number of boys equals to 500 minus 200 equals to 300. Answer 300 boys. Okay. Have you understood? Okay. And students, now I am going to solve. You see 6th number. David has obtained 600 marks out of 900 in the terminal examinations. Okay, David, he obtained 600 marks out of 900. I mean total marks 900 and obtained marks 600. What's the percentage of marks he has obtained? You have to find the percentage. If you want to find the percentage, you have to write the total marks as denominator and the obtained mark as numerator. Okay, then you will multiply by 100 to convert it into percentage. Okay, so first you have to write what is given here. You see 6th number, given. Okay, David has obtained 600 marks out of 900 marks. David has obtained 600 marks out of David has obtained 600 marks out of 900 in the terminal examination. Okay. Examinations. Okay. So the marks, so the obtained marks in percentage, the obtained marks in percentage, the obtained marks in percentage, it will be what? You see, total mark you have to write as denominator and the obtained marks you have to write as numerator, and to convert into percentage you have to multiply by 100. Okay, so it will be what? You see, I am writing here 600 into 900 into 100. Now cut it, it will be 9. Okay, and also you may cut it by 3. If I cut it by 3, it will be 200 and it will be 3. Am I right? Because 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, and there will be 2 0. So it will be what? 200 by 3 percentage. Now convert it into mixed fraction. 200, it will be 3 6 are 18, 2 0, 3 6 are 18, 2 equals to 66 or 2 by 3 percentage. Have you understood? Okay. Then you see there is also written a second part, determine the ratio of the total and the obtained marks. In ratio, what is written first, you have to write it first. I mean here total mark will be first and the obtained mark will be second. I mean total marks will be antecedent and the obtained marks will be subsequent. But if it is written determine the ratio of the obtained marks and total marks, then obtained marks will be antecedent. Have you understood? Again, and okay. And the ratio of the total and the obtained marks, total and the obtained marks equals to total 900 and obtained marks 600. Okay, so at first you may write it as fraction 900 by 600. Now you can cut it. First if I cut it by 100, it will be 9 and it will be 6. Now cut it by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. 3 by 2. So it will be 3:2. Okay. Answer what? Answer 66 or 2 by 3 percentage and 3:2. Have you understood, my dear students? Okay. So you now 7 numbers, see what is written here. Musanna bought a Bengali essay book from a bookstall at Taka 84, but the cover price of the book was Taka 120. How much commission in percentage has he obtained? Okay, so you see Musanna bought a Bengali essay book from bookstall at what? Taka 84, and the cover price of the book was 120. At first you have to find the commission here. Okay, previous page. Okay, at first we have to find the commission, then we will convert it into percentage. Okay, so write first what is given here. Given Musanna bought a Bengali essay book from bookstall at Taka 84 and the cover price of the book was Taka 120. Okay, At first you have to write what's given here. Okay, so can you see? Okay, my dear students, now I'm going to solve 7 number. Okay, given Musanna bought a Bengali essay book from bookstall at Taka 84, and the cover price of the book was, and the cover price of the book was Taka 120. So the commission he has obtained commission equals to Taka 120 minus 84. Okay, Taka 120 minus 84, it will be what? Taka, if I subtract it, it will be what? You see, 6, it will be 9, 10, 11, 12, 36. Okay, so now he has obtained commission in percentage. So he has obtained commission in percentage. Commission in percentage equals to the 36 by total 120 into 100. Okay, so now cut it. We can cut it by first 10 tens are 100, 10 12s are 120. Okay, 12 3s are 36. So it will be 3 tens are 30. Answer 30%. Okay, have you understood? Okay, my dear students, now I am giving you SW. What will be your SW? You see, maths exercise 2.2. Okay, 1 B C 2C 3C and 8. Okay, this one will be your SW. You see, okay, from exercise 2.2, and page number will be 59. Page number 59, write in your diary. Okay, you have to maintain a diary. Okay, can you see everything? So that's all today, and if you have any question, just ask me within within a minute. Okay, and I like to request all, don't send any unnecessary message. Okay, stay home, stay safe due to COVID-19. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz. See you tomorrow again at 10 o'clock. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.